That is pretty sweet.
What it does is this robot thing with this hose.
It's kind of like acts like a vacuum, kind of.
Right, it's a vacuum, and it goes over, drops down, vacuum kicks on, grabs it, pulls it, reels it up, brings it around to the front, just drops it.
Huh? It acts like a claw machine, kind of.
Yeah. Yep. Except it's all vacuum operated. And when it goes down, it's expensive.
I'll bet.
Not so much the parts, because the parts on these, they give you a lifetime warranty.
Yeah.
Which is pretty cool. But the labor, you can't fix it yourself.
Well, I bet not. That's pretty sweet. Kinda, yeah.
Yeah, it's
Similar.
a pretty slick machine. Here, I'll close up if you guys want to buy some.
Oh, I just looking. That's pretty cool. Nice.